Hello, this is Shahbaz Siddeeq and welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to create a child theme in WordPress. Before you start, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe by clicking on the red button below. Also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the latest videos. So let's start. Let's create a child theme today. So first we go to the admin panel of the WordPress and then go to the themes. This is the Astra theme that is installed currently. We have another three themes also which are default WordPress themes. Theme I have installed, I will create this child theme. Now go to project directory, go inside WP content and then go to the themes directory. Create new directory and named it relevant to the parent theme, but it's not compulsory. You can write another name too, but it'd be great if you put in the relevant to the parent theme. Now I'm gonna create a CSS file inside the child theme directory. And new file. Now I'm gonna save this file and named it style.css. There are some parameters and we have to put in the CSS file. And the first parameter is the theme name and then the URL name and the description for this child theme. You can write what you want in the description parameter. Now I'm gonna write this is the child theme of the Astra theme, and you can customize. After that, the author name and then the author URL. And after the author URL, the next one parameter is the template, which is important in this file. And here will be the parent theme name, which is the Astra theme for now. And then after this, our version and the text domain. Now you can write the code here for styling, and this file will override the parent theme's CSS. Now I'm gonna create another file inside the child theme directory. And named it functions.php, which will override the functionalities of the parent themes. This code and paste into the file. This will inherit the style.css file from the parent. And now refresh the admin panel page and let's see what changes happen in this admin panel in the theme options. Now you check, I created a directory of child theme and then made two files, style.css and functions.php inside the child theme directory. Before I activate the child theme, let's see the page, what is the page layout actually now. And now when we activate. So I have activated the child theme. So after this, let's refresh the page again and now check what changes happened after activation. Now you check, nothing happened after activation of the child theme. So let's do some customization in the child theme. So we will go to the functions.php for some customizations. I have set a function which stop the right click option on the web page. But now right click option is working. Now go to the website and check is working or not. Now it's working, but now I have saved the file first, and let's see what will happen after refresh the page. And now this my function is working fine. I'm trying to right click but can't see the right click option. Now you can override the functionality and you can write other things, and this function is just for an example. Now you can override all the functionalities of the parent theme with through the php functions.php, and you can change the styles through the style.css. And that's all for now in this video, and please do like and share, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe by clicking on the red button below. Also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the latest videos. And thanks for watching this video, and please keep support and see you in the next video.